Hello, welcome back to Marta from Sparta. Today another episode of Christmas stocking stuffers, and today we actually are doing number 4, which is Glow Babe. It's stocking stuffers which are for someone who loves a lot skincare and beauty and all this, but we're doing stocking stuffers from Glow Babe, so probably it would be appropriate to look a little bit better, because as you know, for every team video, I know I wear something related to a specific team. So let's go to my hairdresser, let's do my hair, let's prepare ourselves first for the video, so we actually gonna represent Glow Babe, and then we're gonna start the crafts. Bam! Okay, so here we go. We're on our way. I'm on my way actually to my lovely Sarah, my hairdresser. She's the best. And this time I was waiting to do my hair twice longer, double time that I normally would do it, because I wanted to give my hair a little bit break between the coloring, and I was working really hard to have a long, healthy hair. So we're working on it really hard. So this time was like a little bit longer break between the coloring. So we're gonna go and fix this hot mess. And next time you guys gonna see me in the car, I'm gonna glammed up and we're gonna go and record the video, because it happened to be actually the Glow Babe video today. What a coincidence. I didn't plan it like that. You guys know I spin the wheel. So let's go and do my hair and let's do this amazing stocking stuff. Okay, and we back. My hair is done. Looks amazing. We back to my normal color, champagne rosé, whatever. We got a haircut. I feel now that I can actually present for you guys the Glow Babe, right? So we're heading home, and I have a lot of exciting fun stuff which hopefully will help with your daily skin routine, and they're gonna be also cute and fun, and they're gonna be perfect stocking stuffers. So let's go home, let's go back to studio. Everything is ready and prepared for you guys. And it's snowing today. Guess what? It's snowing today. It's November 11 and it's snowing. And we're back to studio, and today is a video about stocking stuffers for the Glow Babe. So I prepared some fun fabrics, and actually for this project, one of the items which I will be making, I'm actually using a Christmas theme related fabric. I think it's very lovely. I think it's gonna look very fun. And as I said before, I am not against Christmas prints and Christmas theme fabrics. I just think that sometimes we can make something which is more related to this person's hobbies, right? So boys are fighting over new toys, guys, and I can't stop it. I just got the new toys on Amazon, and if you need to keep your puppy occupied, I can recommend you that toy. It definitely keeps them occupied all day. So we're gonna do something fun, and it's gonna be easy. I have to grab Teddy. And you can even like a hand stitching. For some of those projects, you're not gonna need a sewing machine. All of them are beginners friendly. They are super fun and easy. And all supplies which I got, I'm gonna link for you in video description below. And some of the patterns will be available for my members only. So if you don't know, a few weeks ago, I activated a members group, so you can joining that, I think, by going to my homepage, hit the join button, and you're gonna have 4 tiers to choose from, and choose the one which is the best suitable for your needs. We're gonna do a lot of fun stuff in the members group only as well. I'm collecting a lot of fun projects and lining them up for the members only as well. But now let's get to the project. I'm gonna take you to my desk and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing. one of the things we will be doing, a face washcloth, which is double-sided. And I decided to go with the shape of the heart. We can do any shape you want. You can do Christmas tree shape, you can do square, you can do oval, you can do round, whatever you want. I wanted to do in the shape of heart. So for that, what we're gonna need, I'm using what I normally use to wash my face. I'm using face wash cloth, and I'm using bamboo kind. I will link this face cloth in description below. So that's exactly same one which I'm using normally on daily basis for myself. And I have two fabrics which I chose. This one, like I said, it's kind of like a Christmas print, and I really love all these Christmas characters on it. And the reason also why I chose this one, because it's super fun and artistic looking. I love the artist who designed this fabric, and I wanted something which goes with this color. So I also have red out, but I think this is like not special. It doesn't look very much special to me when I'm just gonna combine these two colors. Pretty boring, right? So majority of the crafts today we will be doing using this super fun print, which I got online, and this is all like a Christmas characters here. And this is gonna be like a double-sided face washcloth. So let's get to it. We're gonna cut out the heart, and I will show you how to put everything together, which is like literally 10 minutes project if you have a sewing machine, and maybe a little bit longer if you're planning to hand stitch it, which is also fun, and it's gonna look so amazing and organic. Alrighty, as you see, we cut two fabrics. One is gonna be our main fabric, and I actually looked at direction. If your fabric has a pattern, look which directions would you like to cut. And the other one, I cut the bamboo washcloth. And the whole idea is very simple. First of all, I chose three ladies on it because since we're going to the skincare department, I thought it's gonna be very appropriate to choose three lady faces, and it will be looking super fun. So basically what I'm gonna do, this washcloth obviously doesn't have right and wrong side. So I'm gonna basically very beautifully stitch them together, and I'm gonna choose the thread which gonna be contrasting. So it's gonna add additional layer of interest and fun to this, and that's it. And that's how simple it will be. I am also planning to use one of the elastics which I have over here on this side of my pattern, of this side. So when I am actually using it to wash my face, I can slide my hand underneath, which gonna help me hold this whole cloth, and just wipe my face. You don't have to do that. This is something extra which I'm doing, and I'm not even sure if I will actually use it that much, but I think it's gonna look super adorable. And you know, we might need to add like one loop over here, which you're gonna use it to hang your cloth in a shower. So maybe as an additional layer of interest, instead of doing rubber band, I might add like some nice fun rope as a hanger over here. And now it's up to you. If you want to do it insides out and leave the opening over here and flip it, or you just want to stitch them just like that, it's entirely up to you how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna actually do one side, which is right side, and then I'm gonna flip it, so I'm not gonna have the raw edges around. And you can do it either by hand, and again, you can do it using sewing machine. It's up to you. I'm just gonna probably do like a nice hoop over here, and I'm just gonna keep having a band across. Alrighty, and voila, that's how it looks like. It's very simple. It took me really literally whole 10 minutes without exaggeration to make it, and I decided to go with kind of goldish looking hanger, and the other side is the bamboo face cloth which I'm using on a daily basis for my face. So basically I am washing my face with this side, and this is like a total washable piece of face clothing. It's just a little bit special. All right, we're done with idea number 1. Let's go to idea number 2, which is also like super easy peasy. And especially the girls, I mean, all women know, if we are washing our faces above the sink and we have long sleeves, it doesn't matter how far the long sleeve gonna go, the water always gonna get there, and somehow we ending up having wet sleeves. So the idea number 2, which is also super easy, but I think it will be very nice addition to this cute project. It will be tennis cuffs, which are also made out of the washcloth. And there is two actually options. You can either use the washcloth as I did, but it might be a little bit challenging because you might want to connect 2 washcloths instead of getting, in order to get a one tennis cuff. Or I have it right behind me. Or you can do what I'm doing. I basically using my hand towel, which has snowflakes on it. I'm gonna do white one, and one hand towel will be enough for you to make 2 tennis cuffs. So basically we're gonna cut out 2 rectangles, and that's the sizes right over here, and we're gonna put a white elastic band in it, and that's it. And that's another super fun stocking stuffer, which you can make yourself, either using a sewing machine, or you can just stitch it by hand. It's gonna be a little bit longer to stitch by hand, but it's still doable. It's not hard. It's 2 rectangles, and that's it. And that would be a super fun idea to this washcloth, face cloth, which we already did, and we have tiny bit of snowflakes over here. That's why I'm doing a hand towel, which have snowflake prints on it, and it's also washable, right? Because we're gonna stop the water going on our sleeves when we washing our face above the sink. So let's get into the cutting. And also this washcloth, this hand towel which I have here, it's 100% cotton. It's super soft. I was using it last year as a decoration for Christmas in my bathroom, and I'm gonna link it in description below. And if you're gonna have the same size I have right over here, one hand towel will be enough for 2 tennis cuffs to wash your face. As far as this project goes, I have to say, love it all. Super easy, super simple. All beginner level sewing. You can do hand stitching if you want to. So first we made a face wash, you know, which I use like my regular face wash cloth. I'm using like a bamboo ones. They are very gentle on your skin. They are amazing. If you are loving skincare, you probably know that. And I stitched the fun fabric to it, and it happened to be 3 ladies, which I think is very, very fun looking. And you just wash your face, and you can hang it in a shower. Super easy. You can make it in any shape you want to. I chose the heart, but you can make a Christmas tree. You can make a simple square or a circle. You can make any shape you want. Super easy, super fun. 10-minute project literally. And obviously, if you know, when you washing your face and you have like a long sleeve, no matter how high you're gonna pull your sleeves, the water always happen to get your sleeves wet, right? Always. So what I used my last year hand towel, which was Christmas print on it, and I made something which is called tennis cuffs. So basically how they serve you, before you're gonna wash your face, you just put them on your hands and on your wrists, and what happened is this towel gonna absorb and stop the water from going into your sleeves. And because they are made from the towel, they are fully washable. You can make it any color from any towel you want. For the funsies, I added pompons, so it's gonna look super fun, and it looks like snowballs. And of course, to all my ladies, let's say one thing. I think I have scrunchie in the thing. When you actually clean your face, your hair probably get in a way. So I'm sorry, I have a glasses, so it will be really challenging for me to do it, but I'm gonna do the demonstration. So I made adjustable kind of scrunchie. There we go. Which is actually matching, oh, now I can see you, that's better, scrunchie, which is actually matching our face wash towel, right? And it has elastic in the back, so it's adjustable. You can tie it in the front as tight as you want to. Super easy, 5-minute project. It's gonna keep your hair away from your face when you're washing. So look at this. You have the custom face towel. You're stopping the water from getting your sleeves wet, and on top of that you have adjustable headband, which again gonna stop your hair from going in your face, or when you are doing makeup, it keeps your hair away from your face for the makeup. And what I like about this one is that it has in the back elastic, so it holds tight, and basically I knotted to my size. So basically, once you're gonna knot in front, it stays because it has elastic, so you don't have to keep putting the knot on and off. So I truly love this hack with the elastic in it, because this is first time when I actually experience tightness to the point I want it. I can adjust it by undoing the knot over here and make it tighter or looser, and elastic helps to putting on and off, and I don't have to worry about this sliding out. For some reason it magically stays in also beginners level project, which is super easy. It could be hand stitching. And last but not least, obviously we all need a chapstick, right? We all need the chapstick. So I made a matching chapstick holder for the whole set. So if you want to make a whole set for your friend, here we go. Match the chapstick holder. I used the fabric scraps which I had from previous projects, and it also matches everything I made. So again, I'm showing you 4 different options for the stocking stuffers. This is like everything super beginner level. You can make it using sewing machine. You can stitch it in your hand if you want to. I love them all, and I am planning to gift it to someone as a whole set, because I think it has more sense to give it to someone as a whole set. I hope you like the Glow Babe video as much as I did, and I guess when I'm gonna be done making Christmas videos, I'm making more of those, but for summer, for spring, maybe like even like an evening one from lace, because lace is trending so much right now. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining me on the Glow Babe video. I hope you can use any of these ideas for your stocking stuffers. And I'm gonna see you in the next video, which will be, just wait a second, I'm gonna see video number 5, ceramic bonanza. We're not sewing, we're using Mod Podge and our old dishes and napkins to make a beautiful and stylish Christmas gift stocking stuffers for the kitchen, for the bathroom, for the Santa Claus. Just stay tuned. I will see you next week.